Hi guys, my name is Renu and I'm a Refashion enthusiast. Welcome to Refashion Trust to Trendy show, the show where I share my ideas on transforming old and outdated clothing into something really new and trendy with you guys. Hey guys, what's up? I hope you all have been doing well. So I'm again back with a very new refashion for you guys. So today I'm going to transform this shawl into this summery dress. This is actually a shawl that we wear with kurtis like this and this. So without further ado, let's get started. Fold the fabric in half, laying the right sides together like this, and again fold it like I have done here. To prevent the fabric from moving a lot, pin it at all sides. Mark a pattern on the folded chiffon shawl like I have illustrated here. Cut the pattern leaving 1/4 inch seam allowance at all the sides. Interlock all the raw edges. Now unfold the fabric and fold it again vertically, separating the front and back layer, and now cut the front neckline. Take a white lace like this and start pinning it onto the neckline. I'm gonna use it as a net applique by cutting and customizing. Copying exactly like what I have done on the left side, I'm gonna do the same on the right side as well. After being done with finalizing the lace look, now carefully hand stitch it all over. Now again fold the bodies together, laying front and back sides together, and cut the sides like I have mentioned here. Guys, the chiffon fabrics are really slippery, so just to keep a hold on them, pin them together and just mark it down. Now cut along the mark lines, leaving 1/4 inch seam allowance. Measure 15 inches below shoulder line, which is the waistline, and measure 1/4 of your round waist and add few inches for ease, and also place that we're gonna be adding later. Measure 9 inches below the shoulder line as armhole, and we're gonna be using same measurement that we used for waistline as our chest measurement. Create a line from point you marked from armhole point to 3 inches below the waistline, which will create a line like this. Now taking the line as your reference, do the same on the another side as well, and remember we're marking this point at the right side of the fabric at our back part. You can also do this on the front part as well. The reason why we're marking at the right sides of the fabric is because we're gonna stitch at the right side of the fabric right above the marked line like this. Now mark at the center of the waistline and start creating pleats like this. Creating drapes at front like this will give body a little bit of shape and will look good too. Secure the pleats by first pinning them and hand stitching them. Now create a hole at the center point where we marked before. So like I did for the upper lace, I managed to cut some lace and pinned it like this. These are 3 different laces I cut from it, and I'm gonna pin it over the waist. Now take any of your matching net fabric, and in my case I had this scrap, so I'm gonna use this. Now fold the fabric and cut a small piece of rectangle like this. Place the piece over the hole and pin it first and stitch over the hole. Now again cut a hole above the knit fabric and turn the fabric inside out, then stop stitch it. That's how it should look like after top stitching it. Now take the same knit fabric and cut strip of 2 inches with circumference equal to the waist measurement of the bodice. Now take the dress and turn the fabric inside out and mark the waistline. Place the stripe right at the marked waistline, covering the circumference of the waist. Pin it and join it by stitching at both ends of the stripe. As the stripe is a knit fabric, it won't fray. Notice how I have not stitched the waistband at the joint of our sides. That's how it should look like after joining the waistband from inside. I changed my mind a bit for the waistband, so I applied only 2 laces for the waist. Now just hand stitch the lace appliques on the center like I showed you before, and make sure you don't sew the waistband opening closed. I'm gonna use this ribbon as the waist strap that I'm gonna insert inside the waistband, which I got from the sides of the shawl. Cut the ribbon 7 to 8 inches longer than the waist circumference and insert it inside the waistband from wrong sides of the fabric like I have done here. Now take the both ribbons and insert it into the hole and take it out from the front side. Now we're almost at the end of the transformation. Now simply finish the edge of the skirt by roll hemming it. So we are done, and here is the final transformation. you so much for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then like always, please give it a big thumbs up. Like, share and subscribe this amazing idea of sustainable fashion with your friends. Now you can also turn your scarves or shawl into dresses like this and simply wear it with a underdress. You can also follow me on the social media. The links are in the description box below. Till then, see you next time. I'll see you again with a very new refashion. Till then, bye and take care, guys.